Hi viewers, welcome to Chana Creatives All-Rounder YouTube channel. In Kids Talent Event participant number 10, Master Vaibhav, he is presenting table tennis and skating. He is showing how we have to play table tennis along with his teacher. Who is the teacher you know? She is the one mother come teacher Mr. Kumari ma'am. Who is the teacher you know? She is the one mother come as a teacher. As a mother, she is advising to his son how he has to play. As a teacher, she is instructing him how he has to learn the table tennis and all. Okay, let's watch Master Vaibhav's performance in tennis court. Okay, let's watch.
Hey everyone, I hope all are safe. Yeah, this is Kumari. Today I will explain about table tennis board. I got one table tennis board in Stack company. Like in table tennis, we have different categories will be there. Like basic, advanced, and competition level. So I took basic and practice level board. That is 25 mm. Like 30 to 35,000 it will be cost. I order in Amazon. In table tennis, we have different companies will be there like Stack, Nelco, Jimco, and different categories will be there. So I choose in Stack company. You can see my see my board.
Kumari ma'am, she is explaining
This
about
is
table tennis court.
Stack company. I took
Okay,
this.
let's watch this
the
table tennis
company.
board. How we have to
In the
utilize
table
this
tennis,
board.
we have different
See
companies
here,
will be there.
This
This is the
already,
net. You can see here
foam
net.
by
This is the
only.
rockets. Rockets here. They'll give you. And this is the ball. This ball is very delicate, like a 2.7 grams it will be there. This is the net. In Amazon they'll give you board, net and 2 rockets and 6 balls they will give you. See the board? Yeah. This is the movable. You can fold it. 2 boards you can fold it. Place also is not sufficient. Place also is very sufficient. You can very close. It will come. So if you want to single player, you can fold the half board. Otherwise, 2 players you want to just you have to spread the board. If you don't want, you can close the board. Automatically, her lock system also will be there. In the table tennis, we have different companies will be there. So I took this Stack. This is like 25 mm. This maybe this range is like 135. So in Jimco company, Nelco company, different companies will be there. Start with the 1500, like 15,000, 16,000. In this table tennis, we is important, very important in thickness. See the thickness here, board. See the thickness. 16 mm will be there, 12 mm will be there, and 25 mm will be there. We have to choose based on that player. So I took 25 mm. This is the like 30 to 35 it will come. You can buy it in Amazon. They'll give you good offers also. And we in Amazon main we have to fix the board. In other companies maybe they will fix. My husband is supported and he only did all the things. You see the here. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vaibhav. I'm studying in 5th class. Now, I'm showing what is the basics of table tennis. First basic, we have to control the ball.
Yeah, this is the starting. This is the TT ball. Is the weight is 2.7 grams. So first controlling the ball. See how he is doing. So slowly 10, 15, 20 you can increase.
Now, second,
Tap the ball.
catch the ball. This is very tough to catch. Now this is the ball. We will practice one.
This is the board. So this is the board. This is the practice for single practice. You can check how to is playing.
Now I'll show the grade of table of back. Now this is third for left. Now fourth. Now back. Second.
Grid.
This is the grid. Now see. This is the self press. Now
One more time.
time I
Ah. Yeah. Now you can see how he's holding the bat. So this is the table tennis bat. See how he's holding. This is the called shake hand grip. Now positions, he will show now positions back and how to stand first of all. Now he will show forehand. Again backhand and forehand. Both he will show now. Now he will show the
Vaibhav, you expressed your talent really very nice. You are performing as a multi-talented. Parents, please start sending your kids multi-talent videos to chanacreatives@gmail.com. This month ending only is the last day to receive all your talented videos. those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe if you like this video and send forward to your friends and relatives. Don't forget to do that. And then one more thing, important notice, after watch this video, please do subscribe my channel. There you will get red colored subscribe button, bell icon button. When you will press on bell icon, there you will get 3 options over there. You need to press all. So then whatever I'll give the notifications and I'll make a new videos to you, definitely it will come and reach you so that you can watch directly from my channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you Kumari ma'am and Master Vaibhav.